Alright guys, here I am in my regular parking lot. I was working over there at a time last time, as you remember. Now I'm doing it here. I'm gonna be replacing this door. I already removed this door panel. Alright, the only thing here is the other door. Sorry, my interior is really messy and all that stuff. I'm gonna get it cleaned up as soon as I replace this door, so bear with me. So anyways, I took it out. What I need to do is, of course, I need to disconnect all these connectors. I'm gonna have to feed the new door through these, okay, the new wires into the new door, I'm saying. This is pretty cool. Like, this is the factory sound deadening system. What else? Fortunately, this thing is broken, the door stop, and I don't have a new one on, and that door is missing it, so that's gonna suck. But I gotta start working on this thing. Okay, that door has had a broken window, broken glass, so I need to swap the windows. Okay, the only problem is I don't have like, I don't know if this window works, because I just tried it, didn't work. Maybe now it will. I'm gonna try. Hopefully it does, because it's gonna suck otherwise, because I need it to work. Oh yeah, it's working actually. Hell yeah. Alright, that's cool. It's actually working. It was probably just the safety that the child lock was on, that's why. But now it's all good. Doing it by myself, so yeah, so I'm gonna have to remove the regulator, remove everything, because I'm not gonna need this door after that. So I'm just gonna start working on it and show you the progress, how everything is going. So yeah, hopefully we can change this door today. Alright guys, so the door is all disassembled, as you can see. There's pretty much nothing left. I removed the glass and everything, window motor, all that stuff, and removing this wiring, feeding it through here, and then ready to remove this door. Ooh, finally. I had to disassemble this connector because it wouldn't fit through. Well, this is all done. Leave it here for now. So maybe I should drive like that without the door. What do you guys think? Yeah. This connector had to be disassembled. If you do it, make sure you take a picture before where each wire goes in the connector. Okay, there's one vacuum line. Also, while I'm here, I can check my vacuum actuator, vacuum door lock. Alright, I don't have much time. I need to take this door out and start putting that one on. What else? Yeah, this is not moving so smooth, so I need to lubricate it. Let's grab a lubricant. Where's my stuff? Ooh. This is two. Okay. And some, basically this is the glass. I'm gonna have to put it on the door, but I'll do it once the door is on the car. That way it's gonna be much easier. Alright. Well, she's much smoother now. Appears to be. Okay. All right, guys, so there she is. I changed the door. Okay, let me open it up. Sorry I didn't film much, but I did change this door. And fortunately, it's, as you guys know, this car was sideswept on this side. Okay, that's why I have to replace this door and also this door. This door is in a lot better condition, as you can see. The only thing is, I did put it on, I transferred everything. I transferred this window from the old door because it was missing. Somebody broke the glass from this one. The only problem is there's more than just the door that was hit. Okay, so first of all, let me go over actually what I did. So there was a lot of glass, pieces of glass here, so I try to clean as much as I can. And then some connectors, I had to feed the connectors through here and all that when I was removing the door. And also, as you can see, I'm still missing this, which is the door stop. Okay, so I still have to take care of that. The old one was like broken. I don't know, probably because of how it was hit. The window works, just this switch doesn't work, but I tried it on the central switch and it works. Actually, the one that goes up and down. I just need to clean it up really good. Okay, the main problem is, as you guys will see, I also try to move this back and forth, this striker, but this door, this side of the car was hit, so at first I didn't really see much. I mean, you can't really tell that anything is bent or out of place or anything because the rocker panels look pretty straight and all that. The only thing is right now I started noticing this crease right here from the hit. So that's why probably right now I can barely adjust the door and I cannot really close it really good. I need to force it all the time. Okay, yeah, it's really bad. And I tried adjusting it and I tried to set the door first on and then tighten these bolts and stuff, and it didn't work. And I loosened up the striker right there also to move it, but it's just a pain. So I'm gonna have to do something about this right now. Most important thing is that I was able to replace this door and it's all working. Okay, like I said, you still need to take off this pinstriping because I don't like it. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to do something about this door so I can close it normally. I might have to, I don't know, in the future I might have to go to the body shop so they can maybe pull it a little out or something. Yeah, it's just hard to say. So now I have to literally lift it up and close it. So yes, it kind of sucks, but like I said, it's no big deal. I mean, I love this car so much, and if you're really a big enthusiast like I am, you're gonna understand, because you probably feel the same way about any old school car. Yes, the car is really dirty. I need to go wash her really bad. But first I'm probably gonna put this door panel back on. I'm not gonna worry too much about this door stop right now because I'm gonna have to order it in the future. If anybody has one, maybe you can send it my way. If it's in good condition, I'll pay you. Let me know, but I need this door stop right there. Okay, bolts up right here. Yeah, gonna go open the trunk. I'm gonna show you something else, guys, that I prepared that I didn't really film much because I was just trying to finish everything. But you guys are gonna be surprised, probably, maybe, I don't know. But I have my axles, extra axles that I brought from Chicago, and I just rebuilt them in the shop. So I put new CV boots, and yes, I'm using zip ties. Zip ties are actually not bad, because when you use zip ties, it's actually, I think sometimes it's better because you're not gonna over tighten the CV boot itself. And because if you use the metal clamps and you tighten it too much, what happens is because of the stress they start cracking around right here and right there because of the clamp being tightened too much. But with the zip ties you cannot over tighten it, and they hold on the boot pretty good. I did it on my 123 300D. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description so you guys can go check out the way I replaced the CV boots on that car. But on this one I actually I tried using my boot gun right here, but it didn't work because the adapter that the shop had, like, it didn't fit. The air hose did not fit my adapter, so I didn't have any other ones, so that sucked. So what I had to do is I had to pound out each joint, just one joint per axle, and then when this joint was out I was able to slide new boots in and all that. So yeah, the boots are coming. I'm gonna be replacing them soon because mine are in a horrible condition. I don't know, I'm gonna just try to slide the camera in there. You guys can try to see. I don't know if you see anything, but they need to be replaced. Yeah. So that's the plan. I'm gonna grab my gloves now. I'm gonna start putting this door panel back on. Reinstall all this stuff. Gonna need to get a new switch for it. And what else? I might have to get new seals for the I saw that they sell new seals for these cars online for the whole car, the trunk seal and all for the all four doors. So that would be awesome actually if I can get that. That'd be great. So we'll see how stuff goes. But yeah, that's the car right now. All right guys, this is gonna be a little ghetto. Unfortunately I'm missing that cover piece from this door and from the old one. I don't have it. That's why I'm improvising using something like this. Okay, it's gonna be fine. The door panel is gonna cover everything. And what I did before I'm doing all this, actually I lubricated everything. You're not gonna be able to see, but the teeth are lubricated on the motor, and also the track for the window is all good, all lubricated, all nice. And then I need to put oil in here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a lot of oil in there, and that way this thing is gonna be nicely lubricated. Alright guys, before I put this panel back on and the weather thing, here's the shot. So I put that lubricant in there, and also put a lot of wheel bearing grease so that thing can stay preserved and it will not rust. And put it here too. So it's a great idea. Now everything is lubricated, all the joints, everything. Now you can start putting it back. Okay guys, the ignition is on. The switch doesn't work. As you can see, I did all my panel is back on together. I just need to clean it. Yeah, she's all good to go, except like I said, I'm missing this door stop, but I'll take care of it eventually. And I didn't put this switch back in all the way because I need to replace it. It's no good. As you can see, the ignition is on, but it's not doing anything. So I'm gonna demonstrate you how this works. I'm gonna press this. Look at that. Beautiful, right? So yeah, it's all done, all good to go. And like I said, in the future I'm gonna have to do something about this door so it closes better. But for now, as long as I can close it, I'm fine with that. Yeah, I'm gonna put the tools away and everything, and I'm gonna clean the car a little first. Like I said, those axle boots, I'm gonna be doing them soon. Right there. So hi guys, so there you guys have it, the door. And this is what I was talking about. It has a gap in there. Yeah, as you can see, this body line is not together, so the door is a little like crooked like this. I have to figure something out to put it like this straight. Yeah, and like you just saw, everything works, the window motor and all that stuff. Just have to replace that switch. So isn't that amazing, dude? Look at this thing. Looks 100% better than it ever used to. Amazing. I'm happy with the results.